My name is Abstract the Origin, and I'm here to present the Abstract BGM control system for GameMaker Studio 2. This is a GameMaker Studio 2 package designed to simplify BGM loop playing. Other solutions I found were not quite my taste due to either requiring you to cut the audio into multiple files or requiring you to make buffer points using an audio editor. With this system, you only need one whole audio file, which will loop based off of the 3-digit millisecond parameter set in the parameter settings. This is being controlled by a manager that needs to be set as a persistent object. This is already enabled for you in the project and the package downloads. I recommend OGG files for BGM audio. At the time of this tutorial, it has not been tested with other formats. Your BGM should also be set to uncompressed and not streamed in the audio file settings in the editor. This system does take some adjusting of values to get consistent results as well. More on that later. The features of this system include BGM play at full volume, BGM stop, Bgm Fade In, and Bgm Fade Out. These are all called via functions to a script I wrote. To use BGM play, you need to specify the BGM resource, specify the length of the intro, and then the length of the loop. All this needs to be written in seconds and milliseconds format. This will play at full volume from the start of the track. If you don't have an intro part and the song loops naturally, then set the intro value to 0 and use the time of the track as the length of the loop. BGM Fade In will be similar in setup to BGM Play, but the last parameter will need to be dedicated to the fade out time, and that's calculated in milliseconds. The BGM stop function will stop all active BGM called by the BGM play and BGM fade in functions. And finally, BGM fade out will fade out the current BGM in milliseconds that was called by the BGM play and BGM fade out functions. As mentioned, you'll need to understand your loop points in seconds and milliseconds. The milliseconds needs to be listed as a 3-digit format, as you see on the example on screen. The easiest way to do this is by using Audacity. Set Audacity's time to track things by hours, minutes, seconds, and then milliseconds. You'll then want to pay attention to the seconds and the first 3 digits of the displayed millisecond. Next, set your start position to the end of your intro. Then drag to the beginning of the track to discover the intro value. Repeat this, but drag to the end of the track to determine the loop value. These values should approximately give you the full length of your track. Lastly, plug these values into the appropriate parameters. I suggest testing these out using the BGM test room I provided in the package to fine-tune your loops. You'll need to shed down the milliseconds value of the loop value to get a consistent loop for your track after the intro plays. Debug commands are enabled by default, but can be disabled in the variable definitions of the BGM controller object. Keyboard keys 1 through 5 are assigned as following to BGM play, setting the track position to speed up loop tuning, stopping the BGM, fading out the BGM, and finally, fading in the BGM. That's it for this tutorial. I hope whoever uses this finds this useful for their game maker project. On a final note, if you are utilizing audio groups for your background music, be sure to go into the BGM control script to place your audio groups there to ensure they're cleaned up properly. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please like the video and drop a comment on this video or on the itch.io page. I will try my best to assist with any and all questions asked about this system. I hope you have a wonderful day.